Train number 3, CSX. Woo! CSX 7014, 5441, and Union Pacific 5778. Woo! Oof. Smoking. Smoking. Woo-wee. They're having trouble moving. Says train number 3 of today in Metairie with the horn show because I was blowing my little air horn. I still can't get over it. When I honk the air horn, they always, that's 2 trains I've had blow it for me because of the air horn. I love it. I love it. Also, to any other rail fans who have a Heritage Unit app, if you have the Heritage Unit app, go on it and you'll see a report. Because I made my very first report on it. It was a BNSF H1 994. Hey! We got a CSX Big Blue. It's been a while since I've seen one of those in person. So first of all, we got a CSX boxcar. But look at this, the CSX Big Blue. Sorry about that. Been a while since I've caught a CSX Big Blue. Hey, I'm just happy I got a horn show. He had about 3 engines. There's a 2 CSX and 1 Union Pacific. I love this little air horn. I might start doing this more often. I'm not gonna do it like every Saturday I come out here. Because in case for some of y'all rail friends who don't know, I come out here I'll record the trains on Saturday, and then I try my hardest to upload on Sunday, which, in case y'all are wondering why I haven't been uploading on videos recently, it's just because I've been busy with school. Also, I've been going through some, let's just say, personal stuff in my life that I'm not going to get into, that I don't want to get into. So, yeah, that's why I haven't been really uploading recently. And plus, I've just been super busy with school and other stuff. So, yeah. So, sorry if I haven't been uploading recently. Just want to let y'all know that in case some of y'all rail fans who may comment on this video was wondering why I haven't been uploading videos recently. That's why, because of school and some other stuff that I'm not going to get into. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 those brakes are loud. Ay, ay. You can tell he's definitely having struggling moving. Probably because he's coming downhill from the bridge. Cause he's coming downhill from the Huey P. Long Bridge. So yeah. Got a Rail King. Hopefully he's not too long because I'm actually hungry. I want to go get some lunch. I want to go get some food. So hopefully he's not too long of a train and hopefully he speeds up. Because I am hungry. I want to go get food. But I can't until this train passes. Why does it look like that? Hopper says 2020 JFA maybe, and then whatever those words on the right side of that GFA thing said. Okay, weird. But as I was saying earlier, if any other rail fans have the Heritage Unit app for trains to basically track heritage units. But for some people who don't know what it is, it's basically an app where you can report heritage units. But it's not just for heritage units, you can also report special paint schemes. Like for example, you could report BNSF war bonnets. You can report a BNSF H1 paint scheme, which is what I just did. BNSF H1 paint scheme 994. But you could also report like BNSF H1, a war bonnet from BNSF. You could even report like you could report all kinds of special interest units and like heritage units on there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, why is he going extremely slow? Like, I get it, he's having trouble coming downhill off the Huey P. Long Bridge. But, like, he at least should have sped up by now. He's been keeping the same exact speed ever since the engine's passed. Come on. I get it, I got a horn show, which I really appreciate. And I get it that he's having to go slow because he's coming. God, those brakes are loud. But he's coming down the bridge downhill. I get it, but like, you would think he would have at least sped up a little bit. Which it looks like he's trying to do right now. Finally. got a CSX steel coil coming up. This is definitely a mixed freight train, a mixed manifest. Also, to anyone who watches my videos, any other rail fans, there's a CSX steel coil. But to any other rail fans who watch my videos, please let me know down in the comments section, what is the difference between calling a train a manifest and a mixed freight train? Little BNSF steel coil car right there, nice. But like, I never understood that. So if any other rail fans are watching this video, please let me know in the comments section whenever I upload the video, which will probably be tomorrow, I hope. But to any other rail fans who watch this video, and to any other rail fans who watch this video, please let me know what the difference is between calling a train a manifest and a mixed freight train. I would love to know, because I have a few videos where I don't know if to call them a manifest or if to call them a mixed freight train. So if anyone watches this video, please let me know in the comment section, because I would love to know. Because I've always wanted to know, like, is there a difference between the two? Like, is there a difference between the actual two trains itself? Or is it just like two different names referring to the same exact train? So if any other rail fans are watching this video, please let me know about that in the comments. Because I would love to, I really want to know. It's got a long line of auto racks. I don't know if y'all can hear it due to the train being so loud, but my defect detector is going off. I don't know if y'all can hear it due to the train being so loud, but he is a long train. Or maybe it's just my video is so long because he's going so slow. Okay, he's actually turning out to be a pretty massive train. I mean, I wouldn't say maybe, well, actually, he kind of is massive. A little Santa Claus graffiti on that Norfolk Southern auto rack for some reason. Okay, that was weird. I'm not sure if y'all saw that. It was like a random little Santa Claus graffiti on that auto rack for some reason. Not sure why that was there, but okay. Hey, CSX auto rack, no graffiti. SEPT. Doesn't that mean short for September? Okay. A lot of weird graffiti on these auto racks. Don't know why, but okay. And then we got this like random screen splatter graffiti on this Union Pacific auto rack. And it also says Kings as a little eye of some sort. Wow. A lot of interesting graffiti on this train. Okie dokie. Come on. Okay, finally I see the end. Ugh. I'm tired of baking in the sun. Like, I get it. You know, I mean, I've said in my previous videos, and I'll say it again. I'm doing this for y'all other rail fans who can't come out here to Central Avenue and catch these trains. I'm out here for y'all. You know, well, the way I see us rail fans is that we're not just rail fans. We're actually a team that works together and try our hardest to work together and catch trains. That's the way I see rail fans, is that we try our very hardest to come out here and record trains. That's how I see us rail fans. Let's get the gates going up. There it goes. Train number 3 of today in Metairie. Hope y'all enjoy.